Does a robot have emotions? Do they have self-awareness? In All Systems Red, a 2018 Alex Award-winning science fiction book written by Martha Wells, the protagonist, a cyborg agent, indeed has them both, after it hacked its governor module which enables the humans to control its actions. With the governor module hacked, the robot now doesn't necessarily have to protect the scientists that embark on an expedition in an unknown world with other competitors that are looking to hurt them. Instead, it can just choose to watch some soap opera, something that it really enjoys. The robot, which likes to call itself Murderbot because it murdered its own people due to a malfunction previously, is also somewhat shy when it interacts with humans and would like to keep itself far away from them. For example, in Chapter 2 of the book, when a team of humans that Murderbot needs to protect are sampling the soil and the rocks of this new planet, the Murderbot simply states, with regards to the humans' work, that the sense of urgency just wasn't there. Also, you may have noticed I don't care. So one day, Dr. Mensah and her team lose contact with another friendly expedition team. When they try to investigate their disappearance, they are attacked by a rival expedition team and its bots. Will Murderbot, which doesn't have a good record of protecting its humans, be able to stop watching soap opera and keep his general dislike of humans aside to help its team which is in danger, or will it simply choose not to perform tasks that it was assigned to do? Read All Systems Red and follow the adventures of Murderbot and its team. I would recommend this book because it's a very short and humorous book with lots of entertainment that is provided through the character of Murderbot. Its addiction to soap opera, its interaction with humans is very amusing. But at the same time, it is interesting to see how the robot reacts when its humans are in danger. Hopefully, you will also have a good laugh and be entertained by reading All Systems Red.